But how Hunter children to do right there in Charleston County? Yeah, Chucktown. Thank you one more again. I'm so glad that Hunter children is still celebrate Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week with we and things like that. So glad that the whole of the county and thing that did it, did it for do this, shouting and things like that for Gullah Geechee 2020. 20 years since I the Queen 2020 that the crowning happened right there in Chucktown. So you know I got a lot of love for all the Hunter children and things like that. But you know, I ain't been more coming there for we have to be masked up and things like that kind in the building. So I glad that I could have sent this year for thank all the Hunter children from the council and things like that for doing this year this evening and things like that. And I still hope say Hunter go and follow we at Gullah Geechee and at GullahGeecheeNation.com for celebrate with we virtually. Because you know we be Gullah Geechee anointed people. So it's time for we celebrate for true Gullah Geechee 2020. Thank you, Chucktown. Peace and blessings to all of you. Stay safe and stay healthy.